At the request of one of the followers, this video is to learn how to change to the English interface. The method is very easy. Click on this menu, then choose English language. You will notice that all menus change depending on the selected language. You can also change the language options from the options by going to the Tools menu and then Options. Then go to the Language tab. From here you can change the language options. Of course, you must then modify the accounts, items, customer cards, and suppliers to write the name in English in the Latin name field. For example, you have to go to the chart of accounts, then show the card of any account, then write the name of the account in English in the Latin name field, then click on the Modify button to save. Thanks for following.